Hello everyone, my name is Sharath. Thanks Ashish. So briefly about what we do at Xenon. So we are trying to bring in mobility into the automotive space, automotive car companies, dealerships. We're looking at powering them to use mobile basically so that they can reach out to the end customer, the car owner, in a more engaged manner. Yeah. So So we have the expertise from the automotive industry, both in India and in China, team of ours. We also have now, over 4 months, started our development from Bangalore, developing mobile applications for dealership staff, car OEM and their staff. And as well in the process, the car owner will also have an app. Yeah. So the way we look at it is, automotive companies have been slow in adopting technology, adopting mobile, and we see ourselves helping automotive OEMs in connecting their company, their car, their brand better with the end customer, the car owner. And this is not just one time in the sale of the car, but throughout the ownership and experience of the car. We want the car owner to be able to engage with the dealership, with the OEM through mobile. One of them is the mobile app. The other is also the car itself being mobile enabled or connected per se. Yeah. So that's really the way we see for the car and the car owner to be connected with the OEM and the dealership. So the way we see it is different roles, different users, different groups within the enterprise side or even on the consumer side. We would see so many apps coming into picture. Then the dealership, this customer-facing roles played, the service advisors, the sales advisors in the dealership. So these are folks who are really playing a mobile role in their work day to day. And so they see value in using our mobile apps. They see value in our mobile apps, not standalone, but also integrated with whatever backend systems that they use. A similar model even on the OEM side, the car manufacturer side. They have a good set of user groups within the OEM that are really playing a mobile role, not a desk-oriented role. Those are folks that we see relevant to have mobile apps to do their job better and to really look at how to engage with the end customer better. Yeah. So for the demo, I'm going to show the latest app that we are building, which is the Service Advisor app in the dealership. So the way we see it is the traditional pen and paper and the job sheet that the dealer service advisor would do would be taken over by an app that we would have built, and it's an app on tablet for iPad or Android that the dealer service advisor would use, and he would use the best of mobile and the best of the device capability to do a better job of talking to the car owner, understanding issues, complaints from the car owner, and recording it all on the app so that this information goes from the service advisor's hands all the way to the dealership and even to the OEM, and they could take this data back all the way to their suppliers that supply all the various components that went into the car. Yeah. So this dealer app is going to go live shortly for one of our customers in China. So this is the way we see a dealer service advisor looks at his day's task, and then he goes about looking at each car. While he's in front of the car, he's not going to use a pen and paper and prepare a job sheet, but you'd have an iPad with him to do his job. You'd look at what customer, what appointment, what data, previous history about the car, what services were done in the past with this car, even within the same dealership or elsewhere outside. And he would then go about doing all his checks. The standard model is each service advisor has his own ways of doing work, but now we are looking at a standard way of going through cars, inspecting cars, and capturing all that car's inspection data on the app. Yep. This could also be automated. We could let the dealer service advisor not do all these 100-point checklists manually. We could get that automated the moment the car is connected. The moment the car is able to read through all details of the car and then push this data onto the various apps. Yeah? So that's something that we are next working on. So that needs embedded expertise, which we currently don't have. So what we have with that expertise and what we see available as back-end systems in dealerships, we are seeing this app make sense. So the whole inspection process of the car can be recorded. The entire inspection detail of the car can be recorded on our app. Capabilities of the iPad we get to make use of. So different car companies may have different processes, so that definitely needs to be customized accordingly. But we don't see it hugely different across OEMs. So when you're internally or externally inspecting the vehicle, why not use the capabilities the tablet provides and capture information, not just on pen and paper, crossing a certain part of the vehicle as damaged, but actually capture photo, and then this information is available in the entire supply chain. Yep. So validations from customer, providing more accurate pricing details to the customer on whatever jobs that need to be done on the vehicle, preparing a job sheet electronically, and then all the way tracking down to what's happening in the workshop where the technician's actually working on the car. Instead of customer calling and asking what's the status of my car, here we're giving the dealer service advisor abilities to proactively follow and figure out what's the status of this car and its service, which job's done, which one's not done, and then proactively inform the customer through this. The story doesn't end there, so customers got to question why is he paying so much for what jobs, and you got to explain to the customer and show proof to the customer of what was done on the car. Yeah. And the service advisor's job also is important to make sure the car is handed over to the customer as per company policies, as per procedures laid out by the company. Yep. So that's a brief summary of how the app goes, and its first version is going to go live shortly. And once we have the connected car in place, for which we are working parallelly, so that will really empower the dealer service advisor not to wait for physically seeing the car, but remotely also he would be able to diagnose and read data about the car on his app. So that's something that's next in our plans.